I wash myself, Mom. I don't need your help no more. I'm a big boy. I'll wash myself. Give me that damn cloth. Yep, wash your pee-pee. Oh, I forgot. Whoa. Say hi. Oh, you're getting the camera wet. I know he's fine. He loves the water. He's like you that way. You love the water.
Oh, I don't want to see his pee-pee. You're getting me soaked. See? Soaked. Soaked. Oh. Gabriel. Gabriel.
I'm washing my face, Mom.
Oh, okay.
Try and get up. Get up. Come on, I'm trying to wash my mouth. Wash my teeth. Whoa! Oh, God.
Hi.
Hi.
Where are you going?
I'm going to get a towel ready. What are you doing? Blow bubbles. You're going to blow bubbles?
What are you doing?
Falling.
You sit up. Sit up. No, no, no. You play. Here.
I'm allowed to save the towel.
Yeah. You can't get out. You want out now? Gabriel. Say bye. Bye-bye.
Grand finale. Oh my God. You have to wipe the floor down.
Where are you going?
Gabriel. Bye.